So you remove this trim by just prying this one, and also this side here. You take this out by pushing this downwards, and then you pull it out. So you have 2 screws over there and 1 screw over here, this one, and another screw over here. Basically my switch is broken, this one. The rest are fine. So I cannot open the window here. I'm prying the panel after removing the 2 screws from here, one over here. I don't think you need to remove this one. Okay, now you need to disconnect this wiring cable from here, and then there's another big one over there. Once you disconnected the upper one, the lower one will be easy. So yeah, you don't need to unscrew the screws on this one. To remove this switch assembly, this one, you need to disconnect this cable, and then you need to take this out. All the screws in here. Yeah, this one too. Yeah, I think you need to remove this one too, and I believe this one. Yeah, you need to remove this. Yeah, I think you need to remove all the screws in here. This handle and this plastic too. Let me see if I can take this out. You don't need to take this out completely, just move it out of the way, and then move this up. You can move this up now. Yep. Okay. Now you can take out the assembly of the switch by taking out the 4 small screws in here. Okay, got all 4 screws out, and this is. Yep. So what happened to my switch? Yeah, it got a crack in here. Where did that switch go? Yep, it's down here. Oh, missing a leg. Oh no, it's normal. But yeah, there's no hinges anymore. Yep, definitely broken. So here's my replacement part. Hopefully all of the buttons for this work. Yep, so very solid. Okay, we'll put it in. There we go. New switch. Now I can open up my driver's window.